Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we're doing something really practical and really useful. We're going to practice 50 simple daily routine sentences. These are phrases you can use every single day to talk about your morning, your work, your evening, and everything in between. And here's the best part. These sentences are simple, they're natural, and they're easy to remember. By the end of this episode, you're going to have a whole collection of phrases you can use in real conversations. So, Alex, are you ready to practice?
I'm ready, and honestly, I think this is going to be really helpful because talking about your daily routine is something you do all the time.
Absolutely. People ask you about your day constantly. What did you do today? What time do you wake up? What do you do after work? And if you have simple, natural sentences ready to go, those conversations become so much easier. So let's start with the morning. This is where your day begins. Alex, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is check my phone, honestly.
That's so common. A lot of people do that. So you could say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. That's a simple, clear sentence. Try it.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. Now, after you wake up, what do you do next?
I get out of bed.
Yes, I get out of bed. Say it.
I get out of bed.
Good. Now, most people brush their teeth in the morning. How would you say that?
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. I brush my teeth. And after that, a lot of people wash their face. Try that one.
I wash my face.
Great. I wash my face. Now, do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I take a shower in the morning.
Good. I take a shower in the morning. Or if you shower at night, you could say, I take a shower at night. Both are natural. Now, after your shower, what do you usually do?
I get dressed.
Yes, I get dressed. That's another really useful phrase. Now let's talk about breakfast. Do you make coffee in the morning?
I do. I make coffee every morning.
Perfect. I make coffee. Say it.
I make coffee.
Good. And do you have breakfast?
Yes, I have breakfast.
Great. I have breakfast. So now you have a nice morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, I get dressed, I make coffee, I have breakfast. Those are all really simple, really useful sentences.
Yeah, and they describe a normal morning perfectly.
Exactly. Now, before you leave for work or school, what else do you do?
I check my phone. I check my messages and emails.
Yes, I check my phone. That's so common. Say it.
I check my phone.
Good. And then what do you do?
I leave for work.
Perfect. I leave for work. Or you could say I leave the house. Both work. So now let's move to work or school. This is a big part of your day. Alex, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
Good. I start work at 9. Say it again.
I start work at 9.
Perfect. Now, when you get to work, what do you usually do first?
I check my emails. I answer emails.
Yes, I check my emails. I answer emails. Those are both really useful. Now, do you have meetings at work?
Yeah, sometimes. I have a meeting.
Good. I have a meeting. That's a common phrase. What else do you do at work?
I talk to my coworkers. I work on projects.
Perfect. I talk to my coworkers. I work on projects. Those are great. Now, what about lunch? What do you do at lunchtime?
I have lunch. Sometimes I eat at my desk. Sometimes I go out.
Good. I have lunch. You could also say, I take a lunch break. Both are natural. And then after lunch, you go back to work. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
Perfect. I finish work at 5. Say it.
I finish work at 5.
Good. And then what do you do?
I come home or I go home.
Yes, I come home, I go home. Both are natural. So now you have work phrases. I start work at 9, I check my emails, I answer emails, I have a meeting, I talk to my coworkers, I have lunch, I finish work at 5, I come home. These are all super useful for talking about your workday.
Yeah, and they're all really simple. Nothing complicated.
Exactly. Simple is what you need. Now let's talk about the afternoon. After work or school, what do you usually do? Do you run errands?
Sometimes I go to the grocery store, I buy some food.
Perfect. I go to the grocery store, I buy some food. Those are really practical phrases. Say them.
I go to the grocery store, I buy some food.
Good. What else do you do in the afternoon?
Sometimes I run errands, I stop by the pharmacy, I pick up things I need.
Great. I run errands, I stop by the pharmacy. Those are useful. Do you ever take a walk?
Yeah, sometimes I take a walk after work.
Good. I take a walk. That's a nice one. What about calling friends or checking messages?
Yeah, I call a friend, I check my messages.
Perfect. I call a friend, I check my messages. So now you have afternoon phrases. I go to the grocery store, I buy some food, I run errands, I stop by the pharmacy, I take a walk. I call a friend, I check my messages. All simple, all useful.
And these are all things people actually do every day.
Exactly. This is real life English. Now let's talk about the evening. This is when you come home and relax. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
I usually make dinner.
Good. I make dinner. Say it.
I make dinner.
Perfect. And then what do you do?
I eat dinner. Sometimes I eat with my family.
Yes. I eat dinner. I eat with my family. Those are both natural. After dinner, what do you usually do?
I clean the kitchen, I wash the dishes.
Good. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Say them.
I clean the kitchen, I wash the dishes.
Perfect. Now, after you clean up, what do you do to relax?
I watch TV. I relax on the couch.
Yes, I watch TV. I relax on the couch. Those are great. Do you ever read?
Sometimes I read a book before bed.
Perfect. I read a book. That's a nice evening activity. What else do you do before bed?
I take a shower. I get ready for bed.
Good. I take a shower. I get ready for bed. And then what's the last thing you do?
I go to sleep or I go to bed.
Perfect. I go to sleep. I go to bed. Both work. So now you have evening phrases. I make dinner. I eat dinner. I eat with my family. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I relax on the couch. I read a book. I take a shower. I get ready for bed. I go to sleep. These describe a complete evening routine.
Yeah, and again, all really simple and natural.
Exactly. So now let's count. How many phrases have we practiced so far? We did morning routine, work routine, afternoon errands, and evening routine. That's about 40 phrases already. Now let's add a few more and make them sound even more natural. Instead of just saying, I go to work, you can add a time. I go to work at 8 every morning.
I go to work at 8 every morning.
Good. Instead of just, I make dinner, you can say, I usually make dinner after work.
I usually make dinner after work.
Perfect. Instead of, I watch TV, you can say, I watch TV before I go to bed.
I watch TV before I go to bed.
Great. See how adding just a little detail makes it sound more natural and complete?
Yeah, it's still simple, but it sounds more like a real conversation.
Exactly. Now let's practice using these sentences in a conversation. I'm going to ask you some questions, and you answer using the phrases we practiced. Ready?
Ready.
Alex, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. And what do you do after you wake up?
I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
Nice. Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I make coffee and I have breakfast.
Perfect. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
And what do you do at work?
I check my emails, I have meetings, I talk to my coworkers.
Great. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
And what do you do after work?
I come home. Sometimes I go to the grocery store, then I make dinner.
Nice. And what do you do at night?
I eat dinner with my family, I watch TV, I relax on the couch, then I get ready for bed and I go to sleep.
Perfect. That was a complete, natural conversation about your daily routine, and you used so many of the phrases we practiced.
Yeah, and I think the key is just practicing them over and over until they feel automatic.
Exactly. And everyone listening, I want you to try that too. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to answer out loud. Use the phrases we practiced. Ready? What time do you wake up?
Take a moment and answer out loud.
Good. Now, what do you do in the morning?
Think about your morning routine and describe it.
Great. What do you do at work or school?
Use those work phrases we practiced.
Perfect. And what do you do after work?
Describe your afternoon and evening.
Excellent. You're doing great. Now let's add a few more useful phrases to get to 50. Here are some extras you can use. I set my alarm. That's what you do before you go to bed.
I set my alarm.
Good. I pack my lunch. Some people do this in the morning or the night before.
I pack my lunch.
Perfect. I drive to work. Or I take the bus, or I walk to work.
I drive to work.
Good. I check the news. Some people do this in the morning with coffee.
I check the news. Nice. I do laundry. This is a common evening or weekend task. I do laundry.
Perfect. I prepare for tomorrow. This is what you might do before bed.
I prepare for tomorrow.
Great. I turn off the lights. This is one of the last things you do at night.
I turn off the lights.
Good. I set my phone down. Some people do this to relax before sleep.
I set my phone down.
Perfect. I lock the door. This is what you do when you leave the house.
I lock the door.
Excellent. And one more. I check the time. This is something people do constantly throughout the day.
I check the time.
Perfect. So now we've practiced 50 daily routine sentences. These are all simple, practical phrases you can use every single day. And the more you use them, the more natural they become.
Yeah, and I think the key is just practicing them over and over until they feel automatic.
Exactly. Repetition is what makes these phrases stick. So here's what I want you to do. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, try thinking these sentences in English. I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. Just practice describing your routine as you're doing it.
So like narrating your day in English.
Yes, exactly. Narrate your day. It doesn't have to be out loud if that feels weird. You can just think it in your head. But the more you do this, the more natural these phrases become. And when someone asks you about your day, you'll have the words ready.
That's actually a really good tip. Just practice while you're doing your normal routine.
It is, because you're already doing these things every day. You might as well practice describing them in English at the same time. Now, let's do a final recap. We practiced morning routine sentences. I wake up, I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, I get dressed, I make coffee, I have breakfast, I check my phone, I leave for work.
Those are all really useful morning phrases.
Yes. Then we practiced work and school sentences. I start work at 9, I check my emails, I answer emails. I have a meeting, I talk to my coworkers. I have lunch, I finish work at 5. I come home.
Good work phrases.
Exactly. Then afternoon and errands. I go to the grocery store, I buy some food, I run errands, I stop by the pharmacy, I take a walk, I call a friend, I check my messages.
All practical afternoon activities.
Yes. And then evening routine. I make dinner, I eat with my family, I clean the kitchen, I wash the dishes, I watch TV, I relax on the couch, I read a book, I take a shower, I get ready for bed, I go to sleep.
Perfect evening phrases.
Exactly. And then we added extras like I set my alarm, I pack my lunch, I drive to work, I check the news, I do laundry, I prepare for tomorrow, I turn off the lights, I set my phone down, I lock the door, I check the time. That's 50 sentences.
50 really useful, simple, natural sentences.
Yes, and the beautiful thing is, you don't need complicated English to talk about your day. You just need these simple phrases. And when you use them every day, they become automatic. You don't have to think about them. They just come out naturally.
And that's when speaking English starts to feel easier.
Exactly. When you have phrases like this memorized and ready to go, conversations flow. You're not searching for words, you're not translating, you're just speaking.
So the key is repetition and daily practice.
Yes, repetition and daily practice. These are your new best friends. Say these phrases every day. Use them when you're talking to yourself. Use them when you're talking to others. Write them down, practice them, make them part of your life.
And don't worry about being perfect. Just practice.
Exactly. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to practice. And every time you practice, you're getting better.
You really are, even if you don't notice it right away.
Absolutely. Progress happens with consistency. So keep showing up, keep practicing, keep speaking, and watch how much more confident you become.
You've got this.
You really do. Thank you so much for joining us today on Clearly English. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future lessons. Remember, simple English is powerful English. 50 daily routine sentences can change the way you speak. Practice them every day, use them in real life, and watch your confidence grow. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.